Good morning, all. Today we are going to talk about one of the most significant concepts of Nichiren Buddhism, that is nine consciousness. So the Buddhist concept of the nine consciousness provide a useful map of our inner lives and help us understand how we can change our karma and draw forth fresh inspiration and energy from within. With the help of this concept, we can understand that who we are, what is our true identity, how karma is stored, and it also helps us to explain how Buddhism sees the eternal continuity of our lives and cycle of birth and death. So, all nine consciousness are inseparable and therefore they are part of our lives. The nine consciousness are, so first one is sight consciousness, hearing consciousness, smell consciousness, touch, taste, mind, mano consciousness or unconsciousness, alaya consciousness and karma consciousness, amala consciousness or buddhahood. Thank you.
If we talk about the sixth consciousness integrate all the information we do in our daily activities and the information we receive from the five senses and create the power of thought based on intelligence and reasoning. With our sixth consciousness, our awareness, we integrate the information thus gained and distinguish and understand it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Neelam. So the seventh consciousness, also called nano consciousness, which represents the unconscious, limited, egocentric self, which is oriented towards our inner world. Here everything that we have learned in the course of our life is stored and serves to form our perception of who we are. It is also where we develop our morals and value judgments. Thank you.
Hello everyone, the eighth consciousness is the Alya consciousness or karma consciousness. This is our karmic storehouse which contains our entire karma, positive, neutral and negative, which has been accumulated over our past existences and our present life. We create karma through our thoughts, words and deeds. The latent effects of these causes are stored within our eighth consciousness, forming the basis from which we experience the world around us. They determine our physical looks, our circumstances, our situations, reactions, benefits, problems, jobs, everything, our relationship and health. In fact, every aspect of our life is impacted by our karma, that is our deeds, actions and words. Thank you.
Now I'm going to talk about the nine consciousness. So the nine Buddha consciousness is like the reservoir of pure water deep underground, and starting to chant is like turning the tap to bring that water up through the other layers to purify the way we view the world. So this state of consciousness really helps us to clearly understand the workings of our inner life, and also offers us the means to overcome our illusions and gain the wisdom to see the things as they really are. So the nine consciousness is a fundamentally pure consciousness that cannot be defiled by anything. It is a Buddha nature which pervades the entire universe and is connected at the deepest level with all life. So it is from this consciousness that we all are able to transform our negative karma or destiny. Nichiren Daishonin says, I quote, "You should base your mind on the ninth consciousness and carry out your practice in the sixth consciousness." I unquote. A life that comes into contact with the ninth consciousness break through the shell of the smaller self and enters the greater selves. So when we chant Namyoho Renge Kyo, boundless life force, wisdom, compassion and courage develop from our nine consciousness, our Buddha nature. Our eighth consciousness is being purified, causing our karma to become less heavy. We also become aware of those aspects in our life that makes us unhappy or hold us back from fully revealing our true potential. So through our practice, we can purify all those aspects and transform karma into value. Thank you.